Alright, now you can see that it's complete, and next button is active, so let's click on next, and we have Anaconda Navigator installed on our computer. Okay, let's click on finish, and we are good to go. Now that Anaconda Navigator is installed on our computer, you can simply search Anaconda, and it will show up in your search bar. Okay, let's just open some guide in my Chrome. We don't need that. So the next thing is I'll tell you how you can use Jupyter Notebook, and let's start. If you want to, there are two ways to use Jupyter Notebook. Either you open Jupyter Notebook by first opening Anaconda Navigator. Just search Anaconda in your search bar, and it will show a couple of options. Just click on Anaconda Navigator. Wait a little while, and it will load Anaconda Navigator and all the text editors and Jupyter Notebook and all the applications that we can use within this navigator. Okay, you can see that we have all the editors here. Like I like to use Spider sometimes, and Jupyter Notebook is also here. All you need to do is just click on launch, and it will simply start Anaconda Navigator, Jupyter Notebook or Spider for you. Okay, so either you click on this one and it will launch an Jupyter Notebook for you, or you can simply close this Anaconda Navigator. Okay, the easier way, there is an easier alternative for that. Instead of opening the navigator and waiting for it to load and then launching Jupyter Notebook, you can simply just type Jupyter Notebook here, and it will show as an app. Once you click on that, it will open a terminal, and Jupyter Notebook will start in your default browser. So now you can see that I have Jupyter Notebook, and it's running on localhost. So it's open here. If you prefer, you can copy this link and open your Chrome or any other browser. Just paste. Beg your pardon. You have this link. You can either open this. Just right click on it and paste it here and press enter, and you will see that it will open on any other browser. If you want to use, if you prefer to use Chrome or Opera or any other browser, you can simply copy the local host and this link and paste it in any other browser, and it will open in that. So let's start a simple notebook script to show you how you can start coding in Jupyter Notebook. So to do that, simply go to any directory where you want to create a Python file. I'll create a folder on desktop and show you how you can start a Python script. Click on new, click on folder, and it will create a folder here. Or you can rename this by clicking on check button and click on rename, and you can just type anything here. Okay, I've created a tutorial folder, and now once I open that, I can click on new and click on Python 3. It will create a separate script of Python in that directory. Okay, now we have this, and just code anything you like If you are interested in learning web scraping, you can follow my tutorials on this channel, and you can learn Python web scraping following those tutorials. Let's just print hello world. Click on run and it will print that. So this is simplest way to install and use Python, learn Python, and Jupyter Notebook and Anaconda Navigator. If you have any questions regarding that, you can simply ask me in comment section. Don't forget to subscribe the channel, and if you like the video, don't forget to like the video as well. So thanks for watching. Have a nice day.